Hey guys, today's going to be something a little bit different from the last couple of videos. It's going to be how to clean your suede shoes. I'm going to be using, well, more like testing, this Angelus Easy Cleaner. Usually I'd use Reshoevn8r, their stuff. That's what I've used in the past, but this stuff was cheaper and I figured I'd see if it actually worked. I know the Reshoevn8r definitely works, but you know, this says it can clean suede. Well, why not try? Look, right there. Suede, well, it's backwards for you, but that's what it says. And I'm cleaning some blue suede 5s. Now while these might look kind of good at a distance, I can't really tell, they're in pretty ugly shape. Let's get to it.
Oh Lord, oh Lord.
One thing I forgot to mention, never use dish soap to clean your suede. Always use a suede cleaner. Be sure to brush in circular motions only. Doing so will keep you from screwing up your suede. On the majority of the shoe, you're not going to bear down hard. You're just lightly brushing all the dirt up to the surface. I'm using a microfiber cloth to lightly wipe away the dirt that's surfaced. Typically any rag will work, that's just the one that I had handy.
Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Since the suede is now wet, stuffing it can get out a lot of the big creases. I noticed a little more dirt stuck in the toe box area, so I decided to brush a little bit harder. For the whole cleaning process, I use Reshoevn8r's soft suede brush. Now leave the shoes to dry overnight. Here I use Reshoevn8r's medium brush to rebuff the shoes and give the suede back that buttery feeling. Just go in circular motions all around the shoe.
All in all, I think these turned out pretty good. The Angelus Easy Cleaner does work to clean suede. Only difference I would say between it and Reshoevn8r is when I use Reshoevn8r, it rehydrated the color. This blue, it doesn't look as blue as the sole down here, and that's kind of more the blue that it's supposed to be. If I had used Reshoevn8r, it may have come out a good deal darker than this. In no way is that this cleaner's fault. The shoe was already faded. Reshoevn8r just somehow can rehydrate the color. I'm sure if you use this on a shoe that just has dirty suede and the color is still there, it'll work perfectly fine. After cleaning, you notice that I stuffed the shoes. That took out a good bit of the creasing in the toe box area. This shoe mainly looked like it had been used to run a marathon, and now it looks like it was just used to run a quarter marathon. If you're gonna clean your suede shoes, I left a link in the description for this soap and these brushes. I have all 3 brushes. I only use the medium and soft brush cleaning, and then this one for buffing it to give it back that buttery feeling. But have a great rest of your day or night whenever you decide to watch this. Deuces.